Hi guys, Jacques here from Jacques Live. In this video I'm going to show you how to advertise your affiliate products if you don't have a link from your own website to that product, and if you don't want to share a link that's very obviously an affiliate link. Now, often the affiliate link you receive is just a bunch of letters and digits that don't make any sense, and that makes it very obvious that it's an affiliate link. Because you want people to visit the link and not just to think this is just somebody trying to get money out of me, and then they ignore the link. So that's the one scenario. Or secondly, the affiliate link contains the domain of the seller, and that sometimes people may try to visit the domain directly or the seller directly to see if they'll get the product cheaper. Or thirdly, because the link doesn't grab the buyer's interest, they would just ignore it and not click on it. So what we want is to make the link attractive to a potential buyer and entice them to click on the link. So I'm going to show you how you can hide that affiliate link and make it less obvious that it is in fact an affiliate link, and at the same time try to make it enticing to a potential buyer. So let me show you how we do this. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jacques and I create videos about making money online. So if you like simple ways to make money online, subscribe right now and click the bell notification button. I'll notify you whenever I create a new video so you guys don't miss anything. And if you stay watching, then towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a bonus that will allow you to make even more money online using the system I personally use to earn monthly passive income. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to assume that you've already registered as an affiliate with one or more of the affiliate networks. If you haven't done so yet and you don't know how to register, then just check out my channel and you'll find a video on how to join an affiliate network, together with my suggestions of some affiliate networks I would recommend you join. Or you could just have a look in the description below this video and I'll have a link in there to that video. Okay, but for the moment I'm going to assume that you have already registered as an affiliate. So if we take ClickBank for an example, you would log in, you would go to your marketplace up here, and you'd come to this page. And you would click a category. I'm just going to choose very quickly something straightforward. And you would then select a product you want to promote. Now I'm just going to let's just take this one for instance, John Crestani's auto webinar fund. You would click on promote and it would come up with this, and you would say generate hop link, and it would give you your affiliate link or hop link. Now you can see here this here is your affiliate link, and it's not very nice. Or alternatively, if you for instance use something like JV Zoo, you would go, once you logged in, you would go to affiliates, approved products, and then you would get to a page like this that has got the products you've been approved for, and you would say get links, and it would give you your affiliate link, and again you see it looks something like that. So those are not very nice to use. So what I would do is I would simply go over to a website called Bitly. It is bitly.com. Register there for free. As you can see, you can get started for free, and register your account and log into it. Now once you've logged into your account, you would simply go and say create bitlink. Okay, then you would take your affiliate code from the affiliate network and simply paste it in there and say you can give it a title if you want to. I'll just say John Crestani for now, and then it gives you the opportunity to change the back part of that link you've just created. So let's just try something. John Crestani, for instance, or anything you want to call it. and you would say save. Let's see, and there you see the bit link has been edited. So now instead of that link you got on the affiliate network, instead of using that long, terribly looking link, you would now in fact use this one. You just go to copy and save it, and you're done. Now you've got your link that you can use and paste into whatever advertising, email, or whatever campaign you're using for your marketing. You can simply paste that link in there. Now obviously the nice thing about this as well is it will show you, obviously this is still new, but it will show you once people have clicked on it, and you will see how many clicks you've received on that link, and that makes it a lot easier to know which of your affiliate campaigns are working, judging by the number of clicks you get onto that link. So guys, I hope that's helped you. Again, I say check out my channel. I'll have a lot more videos in there about these sort of little tips and secrets that you can use in your affiliate marketing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this channel a like and a subscribe. Leave a comment below if there's something else you want me to make a video on. I'll gladly do that for you. At the beginning of this video, I said I would tell you about a system I personally use in my business to make passive income every month. And I know it can also help you if you want to start your own online business, or if you're looking to grow your existing online business. So the fact that you stayed and kept watching the video already tells me you are serious about making a change and getting your online business growing or growing it. So first I want to share with you real quick who the system is for and who it's not for, and what you can expect as you take the next steps. Okay, so this system is for people looking for knowledge and education in starting or growing your online business. People looking for a mentor that can take you by the hand and guide you through this process. What you will experience is a course called the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. It's put together by Dave Sharp. He's the CEO of this company. And I have chosen to partner with Dave as his affiliate and promote his products. But I also need you to know that I personally use the system in my business as well. It has taught me so much. That is why I feel comfortable in promoting his system. The reason I've chosen to become an affiliate of this program is that they are focused on education and on training. And that means it teaches you all the right skills, because it teaches you what you need to learn to start and grow a successful online business. Now, I don't know if you guys have tried other things online and didn't have success, or if you've never made a dime online, or maybe it just seems like you can't figure out this whole online business thing. Okay, then this program is for you. However, if you're looking for something where you can push a button and make money, or looking for some promises of how you'll get rich quick overnight, I'm telling you right now, that's not what this is, okay? So if that's what you're looking for, then click out of this video. It's not for you. But if you're serious about getting an education, learning how to start an online business the right way, and learning how to grow that business, then this challenge is for you. So the next step is, there's a link in the description below this video, and when you click on this link, you're going to go to my page where you can get to know a little bit more about my story and why I joined this challenge. Or alternatively, you can click through it and you'll get to a page with a video by Dave Sharp. And he's going to give you guys a rundown on this challenge. Okay, he's going to tell you a little bit more, and then he's going to invite you to join the 15-Day Online Business Builder Challenge. So I invite you to click on the link below in the description. Go watch the video by Dave. You'll be so glad you did, believe me. I'm certainly glad I did. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit the like, subscribe and notification bell, and I'll notify you the next time I upload videos. Well guys, that's it from me. Just as a final remark, remember, if you change nothing, nothing changes. Cheers guys, have a good day.